What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Trilly from the Fifth Flow, and today I will be vlogging yet another photo shoot because I keep coming out with a lot of them. So I'm with my friend Ariel. Say hey to Ariel. Don't she look pretty, y'all? We are heading to the set right now. My hair came out. We're headed to the set right now, y'all, so I'm pretty much gonna let you guys know when we get there. This is gonna pretty much be a short video today, so don't be expecting too much stuff today. So we'll let you know when we get to the venue, guys. Yeah, it looks like a wedding venue. All right, you guys, so we are at the location. There's a bunny. Oh yeah, I see it. There's a bunny, you guys. We are at the location. We are currently walking through the grass. Nice little setup. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that dope? Can I change it? No. The lions are just supposed to come straight walking up the little thingies. Oh, look at this, looking nice. Hey, lately though, I've been getting some of the best sets for these photo shoots. Filming and photo shoots. Look at this. Ooh, yeah, I can see how it look. Wedding venue. You remember you mentioned that? Yeah. You seen that? Yeah. Yes, man. Where you see a zip line at?
Behind you. See the swoop ladder?
What? This?
No, right there.
Oh, that's not cool, y'all. That's dope. Oh man, that's so cool. Y'all see that? They got their own little zip line. That's what's up. Yes, work hunting. Yeah. There you go. Point the toe. Sorry.
No, you're good. I'm gonna be right next to you. Okay.
Oh yeah, that would be dope.
So
that would be dope. Get you midair.
Yeah. So that's fine. Let me just make sure I'm set up here.
You could always do a back bend.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. There it is. There's the famous Montreal pose.
All right, you guys, we are officially done. Look at you. Look at this. I done broke a little bit of a sweat. Look at that. Look at that. We done though, ain't we? We had a little successful shoot. I can't wait for y'all to see the pictures. They're gonna look dead. Okay. Well, that is all for today, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel at From the Fifth Flow. Oh, look at that sun. Look at that sun, baby. Woo! I gotta take a picture here. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel at From the Fifth Flow. And Ariel, I'll put Ariel's channel in the comments below or on the screen. But, you know, follow her as well. And I'll be back with y'all next time. And yeah.